The fifth question, the fifth bit of the first question has been given this way. We are being asked to find out this x value. As you can see, BOC is a line and OD is the ray on the line, and we have been given BOD as 130 degrees, and it being a linear pair, we can arrive at this angle, which is 180 minus 130, so this comes to 50 degrees. And considering this arc COD subtending the angle at center O, which is 50 degrees, is always double the angle subtended by the same arc on any part of the circle, which is x. Therefore x is half of 50 comes to 25, and that is how we have resolved this question. The sixth bit, we have been given BOC triangle and COA triangle, wherein we are asked to find this external angle x. As you can see, this being 50 degrees, and OB and OC and OA are the radii of the circle because they are points on the circle from the center. So joining line segment is called the radius. So this is radius. These are all one and the same, and when these two are radii of this triangle and one base angle is 50, the other angle is also 50 because this seems to be an isosceles triangle. Now taking account into AOC, if this is 30, then this will be also 30 degrees. Now coming to this external angle O, we have to drop a line, extend CO to D, and as you can see, this is the angle, external angle, this part BOD is external angle for triangle COB, and external angle is nothing but the sum of these two angles. So this part is 100 degrees, and similarly on this side for triangle AOC, again AOD is the external angle, and to find external angle, the sum of the internal opposite angles is external angle of that triangle. Therefore this will be 60, and the sum of these two angles AOD plus BOD gives the value of x, which happens to be 160. The same has been elaborated here.